These are the moments in time that we've been waiting a whole life to find, that we've been searching for all through the night. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and today I have this cute little protective style. I was inspired by Sierra. I'm going to insert her picture right here. And I thought it was the cutest thing. So this is my interpretation of this look. And if you'd like to see how I've done it, then keep on watching. Oh yes, a big thanks to all of my new subscribers. I had a subscriber ask me to do more hair videos, and you asked, and I am going to deliver. Special delivery. Section your hair on both sides. Make sure the part ends at the back of your ear. This is completely optional, but I like to brush my little hairs in the direction I'd like for my hair to go. Begin loosely comb rolling the sides of your hair. Gently fan out the curves of your braid. Brush the back of your hair into a low ponytail. Split your ponytail into two separate parts. Make sure the braiding hair is on top. Grab a section of the braiding hair and begin to wrap the braiding hair around the rest of the hair. Once you've reached the end of that wrap section, secure that with a rubber band and begin to braid the rest of the hair. Repeat those same steps on the other side. Start wrapping the braid around your head and pin it in place. take the other braid and make sure it's placed in between the braid you just wrapped around and the braid at the front of your head. This is it, you guys. Let me know what you think. If you're gonna try this hairstyle, at me on Instagram. I like to see you guys' interpretation of this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Until then, guys, be love.